Hey guys, so it's another bloody market in the crypto world. Bitcoin down to $8,840, and the two coins that I've been mining, which is Pearl and Verge, has dropped 4% and 9%. So it's not looking good. I just finished watching a video from one of my favorite GPU mining YouTubers from Voscoin, and he was talking about some kinds of miners that's out there. He talked about passive and active mining, where passive mining is basically picking a coin, mining that coin, hodling it, and when the prices go up, that's when you sell it. There's also these GPU miners that are active mining. He categorizes them as active mining, where they select the most profitable coin to mine for the day and then convert it to BTC or cash them out. I would think they would be using the same tools I would be using, which is what to mine to find the most profitable coin to mine. So in my case, that would be two 6 card rigs, and I use AMD, so Team Red. And for me, if I were to be an active miner, I would select the most profitable coin, which today it's going to be Ethereum. And then by the end of the day or tomorrow, I'm going to exchange this Ethereum for Bitcoin or cash it out. If I was a passive miner, I would just choose one coin here. Maybe I like Ethereum Classic. I'll just set my rigs there and keep on mining it. But when he was talking about that, I wanted to actually, an idea came to mind that I haven't seen a lot of YouTubers talk about GPU mining strategies, and we always hear buy low, sell high. We also hear buy the dip. So I'm thinking, why can't we use the same analogy in GPU mining? So I'd like to coin the phrase mine the dip, and mine low, sell high. So the goal of this idea is basically to mine the least difficult coin of the day, and the goal is to get as much coins as possible. So in this example, if you see something like, say, for example, let's see here, plus 5.8%, it to me that's not a good indicator for me to mine this coin, because yes, it is more profitable, but if the end goal at the end of the month is to have the most profit, is to basically have more coins at the end of the day. So I would be looking at something that has lost the difficulty in mining so that I could gain more coins. An easier way to look into the coin difficulty was I found this website called cryptocoinsinfo.com, and they actually list the difficulty of each coin, and they have really good graphs that they have here. So I'm looking into Pearl, which is my favorite coin to mine at the moment. I'm trying to build a master node for this, but if we check on the difficulty for the past 30 days on Pearl, the difficulty actually dropped significantly. So if you check from here, dropping all the way down here in the past 30 days basically means you'll be getting more coins with the same hashing power if you were to mine now versus if you were mining on the 6th of February. So most GPU miners that I know mine Ethereum. So if we use this model here, if you were to mine on the 6th of February, you would actually gain less coins versus mining today. So another thing here is music coin. If you mined on the 6th, you see here you would be getting significantly lesser amount of coins, like if you started mining music coin on the 5th of March, and you'll be getting more compared to the 11th of March. And let's go to Ethereum Classic if this is the coin you'd like. Um, yes, it started really low here. You'd be getting a lot more on the 9th, but the trend seems to be going down. So you could continue to mine Ethereum Classic and get more coins than if you mine Ethereum Classic on the 27th. So that's the idea of mining the dip. It's the dip in difficulty is what we're trying to do just to get more coins and then hodling that coin until the price goes up and then we can sell it for Bitcoin, trade it into Bitcoin or trade it into currency, cash, so you could spend. So a couple of things that I'm thinking of is actually getting, instead of just mining one coin in like my next rig that I'm going to build, I'm going to dedicate that coin into mining all these coins that I see here that are consistently the top 5 or top 6 coins for ET hash. Since it's going to be another AMD GPU mining rig, um, these are going to be the coins that are going to be listed as the most profitable coin. So one of them is Ubic, Metaverse, Expanse, Pearl, Music Coin. So I'm gonna have wallets for each of these coins, and I'll be basing off um my my mining of these coins depending on the difficulty that I see. So if, say for example, at the moment, looking at all of these charts, the best coin to mine for me is going to be Pearl because the difficulty is really low. And this actually proves my point where if I go to my mining pool, I'll be getting 22 pearls per day. I actually average, for some reason, my hash rate is below 340, but this is because of the shares that I'm getting at the moment. But even if the US dollar is really low, the amount of coins that I'm getting is getting higher. So if we go to my daily log here, um, I've been getting about 24, 25 coins per day. So from yesterday to today, that's 24 coins. And usually I only get like 22 coins or 20 coins. So this is something that you can consider as a GPU miner, is basically mining the dip in difficulty and just trading for Bitcoin or cash whenever the price goes up, if you'll hodl for like a month or two. So another thing that I'd also like to talk about is there isn't many YouTubers that actually talk about how are you gonna cash out your cryptocurrency that you're mining. I just watched a video from Block Operations, another great YouTube channel. Um, he was talking about how to sell your coins when the price of the coin you're mining goes up in value. So he has this thing set up right here. So when the price of your coin goes up 2 times, you sell 10% or trade in 10%. If it goes up 4 times, another 10%, 8 times, another 10%, and just follow this until you reach about 30% is what you have left, and you just keep that coin. So I think I'll be implementing this strategy that he has as well. Since I am trying to build a master node, I'd still like to take profits on top of the coin appreciating in value. So if Pearl reaches let's see here. Let's use the baseline of, let's say, the lowest, about 50 cents for Pearl. And if that reaches $1, I'm gonna sell at least 10% of my Pearl. Or in that case, by that time I should have 1,000 Pearl. Um, that 100 Pearl would be converted to Bitcoin because I don't need to actually cash it out at the moment. I'm just gonna convert that Pearl to Bitcoin and just leave it as is. And then if it goes up to $2, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna sell another 100 coins to convert to Bitcoin. So I think that's a good strategy for at least cashing out the coins that you've mined. And if you guys have another idea on strategies on what GPU miners could do, just leave a comment below, and then we can talk about it, and might change my mind on strategies I could implement as well. All right, guys, have a good day.